This is me getting ready with my Mary Kay skincare products. Right now I'm using the Microdermabrasion Refine. And this is a microdermabrasion exfoliator for your face. After that, I use the Mary Kay 4-in-1 cleanser. I like to take my time with the cleanser because this makes it part of the routine. So this is my favorite part, cleansing my face with this time-wise cleanser that is for people who have normal to dry skin. Next up, I'm going to moisturize my skin before I put on my sunscreen lotion. I use my Mary Kay Time-Wise Moisturizer. It is great before you use your sunscreen lotion. You use that Mary Kay moisturizer. And I like this part of my skincare routine, which I like to give it some time. Next, we can use our sunscreen lotion because we want an even skin tone that isn't half burnt by the sun in some areas. So, sunscreen lotion by Mary Kay that is made for the face. This is one of my favorite products from Mary Kay because it's also good for your skin. And because it's hot, I'm gonna go ahead and cut my hair. And you can too. You get your Conair clippers for $25 at any Walgreens, Rite Aid, or CVS. And you can go ahead and give yourself an all-over cut. And here I'm using no guard on those clippers. I'm just cutting away, giving myself that fresh cut for the beautiful summer weather. Now I feel like celebrating. I've used my Mary Kay skincare kit and did my morning routine. Now it's time to celebrate. You can shop my Mary Kay products at my Mary Kay boutique, and you will not be disappointed. Thanks for watching.